This is a Six Sigma White Belt certificate. Now, how to be a certified white belt? I will show you the step-by-step procedure on how to get the certified or how to be a certified white belt. Okay, first you have to search for the Six Sigma White Belt certification. And then you look for this Six Sigma White Belt training and certification for free. You have to click on this. And this screen will appear. Okay? Ibig sabihin, nandun na kayo sa website ng Six Sigma Online. And this is by Avita Business Institute. Okay. So you have to click on Enroll Now. Click nyo yan. After clicking, this will appear. And before you proceed, you have to check if the price is free. Okay? So dapat free yan para wala kayong babayaran talaga. Just make sure that this is free. Okay? So you have to click on Enroll Now button. After clicking on that button, ito yung makikita nyo. So you have to check, meron na dito na one, isabihin you are asking for one certificate and you have to add that to your cart. Okay, so i-click nyo dito sa Add to Cart. And after adding to cart, you have to view your cart. Okay, nasa bandang taas siya, you have to view the cart. And this will appear. Ito yung nasa cart nyo. So meron kayong 1 Six Sigma White Belt certification. The price is 0. Okay, so dapat 0 yan. And ito, total amount 0. So kung sure na kayo na 0 yan, you can proceed to check out. Okay, you click on this. Proceed to check out. And pag na-check out kayo, this will appear. You can ignore this. Okay? But if you want, you can buy this for $59.95 or $99 for the hardcover. But you don't need to buy. It's optional. Okay? And then, you have to accomplish all the required information. So ito yung mag-a-appear sa screen nyo, kailangan nyo lang itong i-complete, i-accomplish, okay? Your first name, last name, and all the other information needed. Pag may asterisk, required yan na mag-input kayo dyan, okay? And then after accomplishing all those, ito yung nasa last, 0 pa rin yan, you have to click itong box na to, you have to tick. Okay, ibig sabihin, you agree with the terms and conditions of this website. And after ticking, you can click and place your order for your free certificate. Okay, so after nun, ipoprompt kayo to sign in. Okay, pag nag-sign in kayo, you have to enter your remember, you have created an email. Okay? Doon sa part na nag-update kayo doon, may email kayo na create. So, yun ang gagamitin nyo na sign in ninyo. Okay? So, yun lang, kung nyo na isama yung, halimbawa, katulad ko, ang email address ko ay imelda.marino@gmail.com. So, hindi ko na kailangan isama yung @gmail.com. Ito lang ang i-enter niyo as your username. Okay? And then you have to enter your password, yung create mo din while you are accomplishing the form. Okay? So after nyan, ito na. Pasok na kayo sa dashboard ninyo. Ito na yung dashboard ninyo. Ay, not yet. Ito pala. So, ipapakita dito yung screen kung nasan yung mga information. I-check nyo kung properly accomplished na, wala nang missing information. And after checking, you can update your profile. Okay? So, dapat update your profile. And you have to click on this button to confirm that you agree with the policy of the Six Sigma website for the Vita Business Institute. So, kailangan daw click ninyo ang yes. And then, this screen appears. Ito na yung dashboard ninyo. Okay? So, yan. So, makikita nyo yung My Courses na option. And sa next screen, you have to click on My Courses para ma-access na ninyo yung lahat ng lessons for Six Sigma. Okay, and then okay, so okay, this screen appears after that, and kung hindi mag-appear ang screen na ito, you can click on My Courses, and this will show up. Okay, so you can review the chapter 1 lesson. Ito, you can watch video, and then you can read this. These are all the lessons. And after you have finished, you can proceed to the chapter 1 exam later. Okay, so pag natapos nito, you can take the chapter exam. And after you pass the chapter 1 exam, you can proceed to chapter 2 lessons. After every lesson, you need to take the chapter exam. Okay, so after every chapter, you have to take the chapter exam. So, meron tayong chapter 1, merong chapter 1 exam. Chapter 2, we have the chapter 2 exam. And of course, nandito yung mga lessons nila for you to pass the exam. And now, after passing, kung hindi nyo maipasa yung chapter 1 exam, hindi kayo makakaproceed sa chapter 2. Ganon din dito, you have to pass the chapter 2 exam para ma-access niyo yung chapter 3. Okay? So, kung nagawa nyo na, you have passed chapters 1 and 2 exam. So, pwede ka nang mag-proceed sa chapter 3. Ito yun. You read all the lessons and then you take chapter 3 exam. And when you pass, okay, for every chapter exam that you are going to take or pass, ito yung summary ng exam mo. Ito yung score mo, kapakita kung ilang items ang nakuha mo. 7 out of 10 ang minimum requirement for you to pass the exam. Okay? So, pag meron kang chapters 1, 2, and 3 na lahat ay pass, magkakaroon ka na ngayon ng certificate for your or white belt certificate. Okay? If you cannot finish ng isang lesson, you can sign out anytime. Okay? Or pagtapos ka na naman, na lahat na take mo na ang exam, makapasa ka na, you can sign out. Now, paano kung hindi mo maabot yung requirement o yung minimum requirement na grade? You can always reattempt. See, ito, reattempt exam. So, pwede mo ulit-ulitin. You review the lessons and then you retake the exam. Okay? Pero pag naipasa mo na lahat, 7 out of 10 dapat, You can sign out after, and then you can sign in to your email, and they will send the certificate to your email. So makikita mo doon ang certificate mo. Okay? So dun lang sa email mo. Okay?